Let's take a look at Celo. The last time I looked at Celo was on September the 19th, and the following is a recap. And the 50 day now crossed over and leading the 200 days golden cross, very bullish signal. The 10 days moving average is trending upward, and so far Celo has been able to ride the 10 day, which is really critical. So all of these positive indicators are pointing to Celo would continue to trend higher. It would break out of the resistance of the symmetrical wedge and run up. The next resistance level is at $6.85, and then at $7.86, and eventually run up and retest its prior high at $11.13. So Celo is looking very bullish. One other thing about Celo is it is extremely volatile. So you may see one day that the price might pop and run up to about 30 to 50%. And then the next day, you could see the price retrace by about 20 or 30%. But overall, the trend is upward. Fast forward, this is the daily chart for Celo, and the data I have is to about 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time on September the 23rd. As I has anticipated, Celo broke out of the symmetrical wedge. The Bollinger Band was contracting while Celo was in consolidations, expanded when the price broke out, and Celo has been able to ride the upper band of this Bollinger Band. And this morning, it ran all the way to 7.94, retested this prior high at 7.8. The price retraced, and now it is trading at 7.5, or about 15% higher on very strong value. The stochastic oscillator show very strong momentum. Volume looks great. When Celo was trending down, volume was tapering off. The minute the price bounced up, we see this huge increase in volume. And when the price stabilized, volume declined. The minute the price spiked up, we see this huge buying volume, extremely bullish. And Celo continued to ride the 10-day moving average. And at the same time, the 10-day moving average continued to trend upward. That is an extremely bullish sign. We had the crossover where the 50-day crossover and then lead the 200 days. This is our very bullish golden cross. So all of this bullish signal are pointing to Celo would likely continue to trend higher. Switch over to the daily chart. After Celo dropped all the way down to about 380, it reversed in price and started to trend up. And while it was trending up, it was very much gravitate within this upward channel. And as you can see, every time when the price touched the resistance of this channel, it get rejected. The minute it tests the support, bounce right back up. And when it was retracing, it was forming this symmetrical wedge. Celo broke out of this wedge, and the target would take Celo to about 7.9, and Celo pretty much ran up and reached the target price from the breakout of this falling wedge, and now it is testing the resistance of this channel. And based on what we've seen in the past, there is a very high probability that the price would retrace, and Celo could even retest the support of this upward channel. Switch back to the daily chart. Like I said earlier, all of these indicators are extremely bullish, and it is pointing to Celo continue to trend higher and eventually reach our target price of $11. However, Celo is trending up, but it is, like I said, gravitate within this upward channel. So we will likely see the price continue to bounce up and down within this channel. So there is a very high probability that Celo would retest the support of this upward channel. And that would be right at around the $6.50. So let's say if I am looking to accumulate more Celo, I would not buy Celo at above $7. I would wait until the price retrace and retest the support of this upward channel. And my target price would be at around 650 or less to accumulate Celo. There is no doubt that Celo is a very good project and it will continue to trend higher, but it will continue to trend in a very volatile way. We could see Celo at $8 now, and by tomorrow it could be trading at $6 or $6.50, but then the following day it could run up to about $9. But the overall Celo will continue to trend higher and eventually reach our target price and also an all-time high at $11. That's it for this video, and don't forget to click that like button and reward me with a like if you appreciate the content that I'm presenting. Also, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button and subscribe, and make sure you turn notification on. And if you have Twitter, make sure you follow me at VietMaxim, because I provide constant update on all of our favorite cryptos.